We chose the PTH series of pallet jacks over competing solutions because of the durability and the reliability that we receive, not only in the product, but also the service that we receive from Crown. We provide premium equipment, but also world-class service, and that's what we look for out of Crown, and that's what they provide for us. PTH series are their tanks. We are very rough on them. They survive. Less downtime means more work to be done, and it's simple as that. And that's why Event Source counts on Crown.